Alright guys, we're about to get ready to eat. We kind of already got, grabbed a little bite. So we about to go in. We don't have our little bibs and our little bibs and the scissor thingamajiggy bobs that you use to when you're at the restaurant to crack open the snow crab. So bear with us. Hopefully we won't have to go to the hospital. So I was saying earlier, guys, that I asked the people at the place if we could get some seasoning so we could dip it in, some sauce. The sauce. He was trying to be very stingy, so y'all see this amount that we got. It's like it's not much, but they come, as you see, they come in bags drenched with sauce, but the sauce is really, really good. And of course you have the option to get like hot, real hot, or mild, and so I just got mild.
Tell them where it's from.
Mm-hmm. So yeah, if y'all are ever in Dallas, Dallas has a lot of, well, I'm not going to necessarily say a lot, but you do have a few places where you can get seafood mukbangs at. And
want the sausage?
where the sausage at?
Over here.
It's called Rockin' Sauce in Duncanville, Texas. Just a suburban area out of Dallas. And they gave us so many little butter sauces, but I don't really like dipping it in butter. You, Justin?
Nah, it takes away the zing and the zang.
There's a lot of these. Does how you ever try these?
Crawfish?
Mm-hmm.
They're good. Didn't you say
I mean,
that you didn't like them?
I mean, they're good, but
What kind of texture is the meat?
the same. It's just a smaller amount. Yeah, this is so good. So yeah, I think I mentioned earlier, but if not, we got 2 pounds of snow crab, 2 pounds of
Like more than 2 pounds.
snow crab. This is a family pack, so they were supposed to. It came with 2 pounds of crawfish, but I told them, we don't eat crawfish like that. Could they substitute it? So they gave us extra sausage and then shrimp and corn. I mean, they was also supposed to dehead the shrimp, but they didn't. If anybody wants to know what that means, off with your head. My daughter thinks I'm corny. That's okay.
I do too.
That's okay. We need to do a
The curry with the shot. Oh.
when you dip it in the sauce, it's not as good as the sauce. Excuse me. Have the water. Wait, you got it on you? It's gonna come out? Oops. I splattered that all over my face. This is hot. If I keep drinking this. It's hot?
Well, not for y'all.
I mean, it's not really. It's hot.
Yeah, I'm making a mess, so I need to go change my pants.
He'll be back. This sauce over there. Yeah, guys, this one right here is filled with sauce. Maybe we need to switch. Switch? This sauce over there. Hey, you don't know nothing about that sauce. Y'all, We hope when you watch this video that you go run, sprint to your nearest seafood place to get you some seafood. Seafood makes the world go round. Shout out to B Loves Life. She doing her thing. Every time I eat her, watch her videos, majority of the time I'm gonna give me some seafood. Hope everybody's summer is off to a good start. Ours is. Me and her out for the summer, you know, our summer vacation from school. It's been kind of hard adjusting to, you know, just, I've been kind of bored a little bit. But we stay up all night almost. And Joseph, he got to go to work. And plus, even if he didn't have to go to work, he's an early bird. But he'll try to hang with us sometime. Like, I think he was out here recently so he can go renew his passport. And I think he stayed up really late. I think he has a passport? I didn't know that. It's expired or something. You knew it. Are you back? Joseph's back, y'all.
The king is back.
This corn? Maybe you slap your mama.
They feel while I was trying to slap my mama.
If you ever eat seafood, this style, do not wear white, because it's going to be over with.
Pretty much.
Your clothes going to look like a doggone murder scene.
Murder scene?
Yeah. Look at this. Y'all see how I dipped that in there? Y'all see how I dipped that in there? It's a lot. Woo!
Ooh. Because I think these potatoes.
I mean,
those potatoes, you probably gotta work towards the end.
No.
These potatoes will get you full.
Okay, anymore. I'm just looking.
Oh yeah. I actually was gonna get some king crab. Just a pound. Just to try, but guess what? We didn't have none. Ain't that crazy? On a Saturday, one of your busiest days. You should definitely make sure you got some better stuff. I mean, we don't, I think we may have got king crab once, but.
oh no. Nothing done. I'll sing this song.
Looking like this seemed pretty big. Just ooh.
I ain't move these potatoes from me. Now. How we got a pan but still
You
leave
obsessed
stuff
with
over there?
What'd you say, Joseph?
You obsessed with it?
So that's the only thing over here, so I'm just going straight to it.
What can you give me?
What?
Good. Corn,
You messing up your nails. What'd you say?
Well, no, I don't want one. I was just
You can just put it over there to move it out the way.
trying to be all up in my teeth. Yeah, but if y'all don't know, I got braces, so I can barely eat this, but I can't I ain't about to turn down no crab legs. Or no sausage or no potatoes.
There's a lot of crawfish, baby.
Yeah,
You're not even big on crawfish anymore.
I know, but I am now.
Oh, you like it?
Look at all this. Look at this. Look at this little creature. Y'all, be better than us. We making all types of.
Need bibs for real.
My face messed up.
We over here.
Y'all ain't accustomed to eating crabs. You want to get the most meat, dig in his head.
For real, I've noticed some people
People neglect this part because
they
they think
really
it's just,
do.
What? Oh yeah, I always neglect because I be thinking there's bad stuff in there.
shit, probably is. Ain't gonna stop me from eating.
I'm trying to clean your face.
Y'all, look at all this crawfish.
Let me go get another picture.
Y'all, it's something about crab legs. I mean, just seafood. It's just so amazing, y'all. It's just
Here. Squirt again.
I wonder what happened.
We'll just clean afterwards.
y'all, look at this. She got this. We just-
I'm getting it from you.
How?
Because look at your underarm. I mean, look at your elbow.
What y'all get though? What is it? The rockin' sauce?
Y'all, we making them bad. I know y'all don't care. Y'all like just shut up and eat.
Don't say that wrong.
Yeah, I used to eat a lot of spicy food, but nowadays, brother 36, I can't eat that
You
spicy
can't
food
tell
like
your
that no more.
age.
Why I can't? I ain't got no shame. Now, on the other hand, my soon-to-be wife, you know, just because she 21,
21, please. Understand, I'm 21. Yes, I got a 15-year-old. It don't matter.
I'm sorry, because I didn't really believe that. We putting all that out, baby. Y'all doing too much.
No, it's just I'm joking. Yeah, I'm turning these crawfish up. Which is
it seems like you eating them more than what's it called?
I ain't real cold.
baby, he think he's Steph Curry with the shot.
Steph Curry with the shot, boy.
Ooh. Hold on.
I can shoot in real life though. Don't get the game twisted. I just need y'all to understand.
Whatever you
Shoot
say.
like where?
What you mean on the coat? Not the court, the coat.
Oh,
I was gonna
okay.
eat a potato. Oh my God,
You
I'm
do?
so glad I stopped myself. Where's the sausage?
I know. You have neglected the sausage.
I haven't.
Mm-hmm. Oh, wait.
I had about 10 of them
Say it
already.
together.
That's a lot.
Cheers.
Now you will get full of, excuse me, you will get full so fast off of this.
But usually we don't though. He said this time we got a lot.
Yeah, and it can be a little bit overwhelming.
And the sauce.
Yeah, because every time we go there, it take us 20 minutes to decide on what we want.
Basically.
Cause we all greedy.
They greedy. I ain't greedy, y'all. I ain't
Oh, that's
greedy.
a lot.
These two get mad when they hungry. They get hangry. Me? I can go all day without eating.
Say that all the time.
Right.
Cause it's true. But you know, like for real, and it's retarded. Or excuse me, it's slow on my part. Like I'll be starving, right?
It's worse.
It's just bad on my part. Cause I'm like, I can just go jump in the car, go get something to eat. I go come in here in the kitchen and find something. I just be lazy and just don't be want to. I could just be sitting up there, like literally for hours.
But that's not good though.
It's not necessarily good, but
And this is bad.
not necessarily bad.
Okay, all the food. No. You can hear all.
Y'all got it, and then these little parts right here, guys. Don't neglect this claw now. Don't neglect him, cause he got some food in there.
That he does. We ain't no nutcracker.
Nutcracker.
Yeah, back home we used to use nutcrackers to crack
Y'all listen, I am making a mess.
crab legs.
Oh, you used to eat crab legs?
I
What?
grew up on blue crab, not necessarily snow crab. Yeah, I don't know if y'all familiar with crabs, but I used to eat blue crab. One thing about blue crabs, they don't have much meat to consume, so had to hop on them snow crabs, dog.
Hey, this crawfish look kind of weird. It's real black.
You been cooked to death.
You full?
For me?
You put my phone on the side. No, just put it on the tray.
You sweat at the bottom.
What's wrong, Trina? You struggling?
My juice already gone.
This doesn't have. I mean, this little crawfish kind of struggling a little bit because I'm surprised you cleaned that like that. 'Cause you don't typically clean them like that.
I'm hungry.
See, about say you better eat you some.
So a bunch of legs up here, like.
I gotta do this slow like it's gone. Yeah, all the juice just got in my hand. Wanna lick it?
She just got her nails done. Both of us did. But you can't, y'all, my finger. I couldn't even get it done. Hopefully,
Which one?
got my little band-aid on it. I had to skip over. Oh, I think I just got some.
Ooh, you got some sauce on your red shirt.
Yeah, man.
What's
Yeah,
that?
yeah.
What is it?
Vessel or something?
That's in all of them though. But I be eating them though.
Yeah,
It might be boo boo.
might be.
Then they be a little tangy.
Basically. Ain't nothing wrong with little crawfish boo boo. It got nutrition in it.
Oh, that's what they say, huh? Well, you over here, you done pulled out some good pieces.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
You know. That's alright.
She jealous. I'm be jealous, boo boo.
Baby, once I pull the big one out of this.
I shared a good piece, y'all. See how wonderful of a fiance I am?
Oh, I'm sleep. Trent, let's go to sleep. Oh, hi.
For me. For some of this.
One thing that I would like to try, guys, is mussels. I've seen a lot of people try mussels, and
Yeah, they be like,
and they look like they're good. Anybody out there that watch this video, please let us know. Well, for me, what does mussels taste like? Have you ate mussels before?
Is that how it's pronounced? Mussels? Is it mussels?
Huh?
Is that how it's pronounced? Mussels?
it was called Russell's.
Yeah, I believe that's what it's
Excuse me.
I watched a few videos and
You go.
on Google how they do
About
it. What if he snatched it?
I sure was about to snatch it too. You been mad. But you got salt all on your cheek.
Where?
Not you.
He said,
You know,
oh.
the other
I do.
baby. On the right.
Lick it.
No. Woo!
You lick her cheek, y'all taking mukbang to another level. 3D.
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 Yeah, guys, so if y'all tasted mussels before, can y'all please tell us, what does it taste like? Like, is it chewy? Is it sweet? Is it... What texture is it? Like, I just
like-
don't know.
So this was to be like,
Yeah, yeah. That's exactly what they do.
Look at it.
Do not try this at home.
No, try it at home.
You know?
they gonna call on you when they get
Because,
hurt.
baby, this right here, this is a murder. This is a weapon, y'all. This is... Somebody could get really, like, seriously injured with this. Where y'all look?
It slid right on out too.
It's the claw, guys. Look. Mm. Mm.
You gonna have something left over. You gonna save something for your nana?
Huh?
Save something for nana. You know you want something. Y'all got a whole bunch left over there.
Crawfish.
All the
Y'all
potatoes
not
gone too?
eating, you know, we haven't even ate no shrimp. Look at all these shrimp.
That's a lot of work.
Yeah, the shrimp, and I've asked them to dehead the shrimp for me. Look at these long little, is these they antennas?
Wolf, the head just
Hi.
started moving.
My name is
I'ma
Joseph.
still eat it.
My name is Joseph. You wanna play? Y'all, these is what they call these ocean roaches. Ain't that what they call crab legs or crawfish roaches? Ocean.
What, mama? They call ocean roaches.
When trying to be funny, goes back.
wrong.
Yeah.
But I wasn't trying to be funny. I was just repeating what you said.
Yeah, so let me tell y'all about shrimp. So, like these big old shrimp, I'm not a huge fan. I don't know, it's like the texture of them is kind of weird to me now. Like I'll go to my local Albertsons, and then during the school year I would go to quite often. And I'll go get, because if you go to Albertsons,
Sorry.
please excuse me.
Excuse me.
If you go to Albertsons, and I believe some Krogers may do it. You know, they'll steam. You know, they'll steam your, you know, your meat for you. And so I'll get like a pound of shrimp, and it's typically like the 50. Which one was it when you went in and got it from? Like the 5160 count or something like that. So they're like, they're probably about like this size, and like they'll steam it in whatever seasoning you want. Like I'll get the Old Bay, the garlic, the lemon pepper.
Lemon pepper.
And some other type of seasoning. And it tastes so good, y'all. But that shrimp is like, the texture is perfect and all. I'm not even sure what type of shrimp it is. But these particular shrimp at the Iraqi crab, they're just too big. You see the eyes? And I asked these people to take it out for me.
All eyes on me.
Literally. They staring at us. They like, y'all gonna eat us like that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So like, when we used to cook crab in South Carolina, I be feeling kind of bad for them sometimes, because we used to go crab fishing,
Oh, Lord.
and we had to put them in this big old pot.
You used to put them back?
Nah, I ain't put them back, we ate them, but I feel bad because when we put them in the boiling pot, after like 5-10 minutes, they start scrambling, trying to crawl back up out
Oh,
the
that's
pot.
mean.
I said, oh, but then I got over it and told them things up.
Yeah, I hope everybody who's watching this video is, you know, loves seafood and, you know,
That's not nice.
we don't want nobody to this, you know, who's like a,
Yeah, don't nobody call FEMA on me or something.
or what's the other one? AC, never mind.
What? Mama?
One of them is like a protect animals and living things, living whatever, y'all.
Just
Please
forget.
just
Let it go.
Yeah, I'm gonna let it go.
You better let it go.
Let it go.
Let it go.
Can't hold it.
Leave it up to her, both of them to know the words to something. Me? They talk about me all the time.
We be like, what?
That I don't be knowing the word. Like I'll know the hook of a song,
You barely even know that.
but that's okay. I'm gonna play like I know that thing.
What's the song you be saying all the time?
Boot up, boot up. Ooh, no, I never get over you until I find something new to get me hot like you do. Bada, boot up, boot up. Don't do me. How the medicine song go, Tree?
Tell me you love me, but I ain't even feeling it like me.
Baby, she know them words. I'm like, dang, let me find out somebody broke your heart. Somebody broke your heart, Tree? Because if they did, we coming for your family.
Oh, Lord.
I know you didn't.
What? No, I didn't.
He talk about, oh Lord.
Oh Lord, what?
Yeah, oh Lord, what?
You talking about coming for families? We the mob?
Basically, when it comes to this one,
We the
right
black
here.
mafia?
He never mind.
What you trying to say?
I forgot.
No, you did.
Right.
I did.
You forgot in a second?
These crawfish y'all will make you mad because you're gonna be like, I need more. You full?
She tapped out.
You tapped out, Tree? I think I just tasted a bad crawfish, y'all.
Wrong food.
Oh shoot.
Them things they don't even look
Yes,
trustworthy.
It tasted weird.
Yeah,
They
I
look
would say
deceitful.
Why you not dipping them?
Look like some little lucifers in the from the ocean. Look at that.
Tell me you love me, but I ain't feeling it like me. Say it like you
Let me dig up in this cloth.
Give it from the liquors up
I always struggle.
Come in to the morning.
I always struggle.
Where you
cracking
been?
these.
Where you been?
You know it.
She hating on
She
me.
guessed that. She didn't know that.
Who was that texting your phone?
It's just a friend. It's just a friend.
Oh, it's just like that, but it's you right. Just
Let me tell you something. My daughter, she just said, I don't even think I like it no more. But like when you be eat, like you crave something, you be want something. And then like when you eat so much of it, like at that moment, you be like, I don't know, it's like you become so full, you just be like, man, I don't want none of this ever again in life. But then, you know, after the food digests,
If you come back to your senses.
right. You be back crabbing. Oh, I want to go get me some crab legs. Like,
because I'm done.
Trinity has tapped out, guys.
Excuse me.
I'm full.
The curse
Look at that.
of braces.
Y'all probably have to use gloves. Look how much left we got. Ooh.
Sorry, y'all.
Woo! Y'all, I think we finished. We finished?
I don't know. Can't tell. Alright, y'all. My mission is complete for now. I'm out.
Yeah, I'm the last woman standing. Woo! I'm the last woman standing. Woo! Y'all, I made it to the end. We got so much left, y'all. It's, oh my God. It's so much. If there's something that out there that y'all want to see us smash, let us know. We always like doing this because it's fun. Give us the opportunity to kind of have some family bonding time with a little accessory. Alright guys, about to go ahead and end this video. Remember to like and subscribe. This is the JDT family. I am the D of the JDT family. This is the J and this is the T. So please comment if you like the video. Let us know what type of mukbangs you like to see, or you know, whatever, man. We're down. Until then, we out.